Pantaloons Saima 2018 le we have the beautiful Telugu actress here, Manara Chopra, right?
Yes.
So, அதாவது ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டான நேம் டிஃப்ரெண்டான ஸ்டைலில் வந்திருக்கீங்க for Saima 2019. How do you feel being here?
It's always an honor to be here at Saima. Last year I was shooting, so I could not attend. I was shooting for Teja's film, and before that I think I was traveling. So after 2 years I'm back on the Saima platform, and it's always so amazing and overwhelming to see the talent coming all together from all 4 industries, and me being a part of it is obviously awesome.
Alright, so tell me this question. Okay, so I'll ask you this question. Who's your favorite actor in Telugu?
I like so many actors in there. They all are very good, and they all are amazing. One, I think I would love to work with all of them because they all are amazing in their own craft. But in terms of dance, I can say, because I have been an assistant dance choreographer, I'm a biggest fan of Allu Arjun sir. I say that in all my interviews, yeah. So
Very nice.
yes,
தமிழ் படங்கள பாப்பீங்க இல்லையா நீங்க?
yeah, kuncham I can manage.
Okay, தமிழ் மூவிஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஹீரோ?
There are again amazing heroes in Tamil, and I would not like to pick just one because there's so much of talent. There are so many amazing, yeah. You have the Kolaveri Dhanush
Okay.
to like Surya sir, I think Vikram sir. So many actors, and the list goes on and on and on.
Okay, so எப்போ வந்து நீங்க தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வருவீங்க? When will be your level up to Tamil industry? Come on.
Well, I'm working in Telugu films. I've done films with Puri and Teja and like few more, Saidharam Tej and all of that. But Tamil I haven't really entered. But maybe soon something like that is going to happen. But as of now, I'm working in Telugu, and I'm chala happy on it.
Super. So now we are going to have the quick rapid fire round for you. Okay. So first, most memorable level up moment in your career?
When I met Puri for his film Rogue, that was a memorable one. I'll tell you why memorable. Not only because I did his film, because he offered me the film when we were flying, we were in air, and I bumped into Puri Jagannath, and he saw me. We exchanged numbers and everything, and after 4 months he called me for the film. So who gets a film and flight is like, I'm like,
See
what?
that your opportunities are sky high.
பறந்துட்டே சான்ஸ்
Exactly, back on.
பறந்துட்டே சான்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். Super. The next, apart from work, what is the thing that you do passionately for your future?
For my future, well, I have always been into creative arts, and I have so many things on my mind. I've been a dancer, so I want to do something related to dance. I love singing, so maybe I want to explore and learn more about singing.
Okay.
Please
I
sing
love.
a song for us right now. Just 2 lines. Come on.
I can sing a Telugu song.
Absolutely. Love to hear.
Okay, a Hindi and a Telugu mix from my films. ऐसा लगा मुझे पहली दफा, तन्हा मैं हो गई यारा, हूँ परेशान सी मैं, तू जरूरी सा है मुझको जिंदा रहने के लिए.
Oh, beautiful. அதாவது ஒரு ஆக்ட்ரஸ் மட்டும் இல்லாம ஒரு சிங்கர், ஆனா நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு டான்சர் சொல்லிட்டீங்க. சோ நீங்க எங்களுக்காக ஒரு ஸ்டெப் சொல்லி தர போறீங்க, நாங்க 2 பேரும் சேர்ந்து ஆட போறோம். எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து.
That's
Okay.
all about it.
Okay, so all together we are going to do that.
Okay?
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4. But you have like step going on.
Okay, so that is your favorite step.
Hard to guess.
Hard to catch.
Yeah, but
See,
anyway.
it's for the tassels. It's only for the tassels you're doing.
Yes,
It's yeah.
But anyway, thank you so much. You have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Thanks.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Much pleasure to be talking to both of you.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.